Okay, in the saga of the boiler, in this one I'm going to remove the PCB board. So we've got a screw just there. Get it out. There's a terminal block here that comes out. This is your mains coming in with 240 volt. Okay, I think he slides, or one of them. You got some little clips at the bottom here, and that one. And that comes up. Got a screw at the back. You see that? Yep. And pretty tight. Okay, right down there. I just want the PCB board out. What you could do with this, really, you need to earth yourself to a piece of metal, or you get an earth strap. I'm a computer engineer, so yeah, that's what you need, but I'm only showing you for demo purposes. So you'd have an earth strap round here to some sort of metal, but earth yourself as well. And all you need to do is just actually gently pull the clips out. There's one here with a spring. Is it spring on it? There's a clip at the back, so just gently pull him out. Another one here. See the little clip? Pull that out. Another one here, little clip, but they just come out. Earth. Pull it out. If you're going to replace this on another machine or your mother, I would take a photograph. Okay, so everything I just took apart, just take a photograph before you go any further, and then you know when you're putting it back together again, or you line up the other board and do it that way. Okay, so there's a clip at the back here, little springy black thing. Another one here that comes out as well. Another one here, and that should just pull out. There we go. And we got another earth strap here. That's it. That's an earth block. That shouldn't be in the way. We should be right. And another one just there, that white one. Just gently. Not force anything. Just that's it. Ease it back. Okay. Undo the board. 6 screws, I believe. This is one in the middle. Nope, 6 screws. Pretty straightforward. A lot of these get damaged from water if you've got a leak on your boiler and you don't notice it, and then your board's gone. So I think they're not how expensive they are. I think a new, I'm not too sure. I'm not going to go into. I don't know. I think you can pick a second-hand one up for about 25 quid. I think something like that. Alright, I'll carry on taking the screws out. Okay, all the screws are out. You've got these two little adjusters, one there and one behind there. You can see that. They should just pop out. That's it. They're twisty knobs. That's your controls. And there you go. Actually, there's nothing wrong with that. Could pop that on eBay for a tenner or something. I'll put that safe to one side. Okay, got all that out of the way, just pulled the wires off. This is your terminal block. This is your block coming in. I'm not 100% what the grey one and the black one's for, but it'll be, so you got your live and your negative and your earth and the grey, and does it tell you on the block? No, so I don't know. I'm not even going to guess that. So what to do with the board, I would presume. So just to disconnect all that, and then just take a photograph and then redo it back as you would. That's that one done. And now we're gonna, oh, here we go, sorry. We're gonna have a go at that 3-way valve. Quite fancy doing that one. Oh, that's so tight. And there should be enough clearance that just pulls away. And behind there is a, I'll show you if I can get it off. It's broke anyway. Well, there you go. But I got myself a big collection of these, and these are just like Hessian washers, if you know what I mean. So disconnect. This is a little clip on there. That pulls off as well. Oh, it's on a bit of a while. Push him down and just pull. That's it. Okay. And then we're going to tip the boiler up. Okay, so once you've undone that big one here in the inside, there's only really, once you've got these two off, which is your main taps and whatnot, or your central heating or whatever. I'm not going to argue with anybody because they're going to have a gooey, so you've got to get that undone. And that can be a bit of a bugger, because if it's really seized in or rusted, you're going to have some fun with that one. I had fun with mine in the end. I think we broke it off. Let's have a go. Oh my, oh, that's not going to come easy. Nope. Okay, just sheer luck. What you're trying to do is move it a little bit so it releases it. I'm using an adjustable on this. Maybe we might just get away with it. You can see that? Just sheer luck I've got away with that. I think that'll do. I mean, you'd use a, I think it's 8 or even a 6mm spanner would be better. When my toolbox is at work anyway, so I just want to get this off and I'll show you. That's it really. Push it back. Ooh, blimey. And there you go. I'm not too sure it works. I'm not even going to say. There's those two washers, remember I told you about? Let me zoom out. Okay, there's two washers at the back. There we go. Sensors, I think that's a heat sensor or something. Don't know. Don't intend to have a look. A little bit of muck in there. That's that motor that sits on top and pushes the pin up and down, I think. There we go. So a diverter valve or a 3-way valve, and that's that washer. They're just carbon fibre, I think. Yeah, so diverter valve or 3-way valve. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I think that's it all I'm going to do really. Oh, I'm going to do that pressure valve, wasn't I? But I'll have a look at that. Just loosen that, that's a good one. Nice brass. Look at that. Not rusty, that one. What this does, don't know. I really, I've never actually replaced one of these. I replaced one of them. I think there's just a little grub screw there, and then you undo that, and then we can give it the go at that if you want. This is your drain plug. Well, that's what I used it for when I was draining the system down. I use that. I don't know what this does. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just playing now because I'm enjoying it. Hold on one sec. Just want to see what's behind here. Just nosy. I don't know. Must be a sensor of some sort. Okay. Let's undo that grub screw. Okay, undone the grub screw. Well, there we go. A little bit of build up on that. And that's the pressure relief valve. So if the system is over pressurized, this will sound awful. You think the whole place is coming apart. And you can also do it manually by turning it, and it'll just release pressure out of the system. Here, pop him. And that's what it sounds like. It's like, if that's going like you wouldn't believe, you're like, oh my god. And that's it. What else this does, don't know. A little bit of hard water build up in there. Not bad. And there we go. That's the end of this boil as far as I'm stripping it. I'm just being nosy. If you enjoyed the vids, please give it a thumbs up. Helps the channel a lot. And I'll just keep doing what I'm doing, and if you keep watching them, I'll keep doing them. Take care, catch you in the next video, and all the best.